Tony, you came to visit. Is this your limousine? Hi, Tony. Welcome back. Well, I would call that a bow tie.
That's a bow tie.
And I hope he's not still smoking cigars. Did he stop?
Oh, no, he gave that up. Uh-oh, where'd it go?
Behind your
ear?
Oh, there it is, Tony.
Good boy. Brave guy. Yeah. There it is.
Wow, that was a loud one.
Awesome. For his close-up.
I just made a new online course called How to Massage Your Own Dog. So it's been a week, right?
1 week, yeah.
Okay, and how did Tony do?
He had more energy, it seemed, as though he had a little more pep in his step. He also was more interested in being massaged.
Okay.
So...
Sorry about that.
No, are you kidding me?
Now he's demanding this massage.
Now he's demanding, yeah. So now that's
like,
just one more hat I wear. So, you
yeah.
know, the limo driver,
right.
the chef, the assistant, now the masseuse.
Do you take him for his golf outings, or does he get there a different way?
Right. Well, that will come when the snow falls. We'll head down to Florida, snowbirds.
So he can get some golf in.
Yes, huh?
And I hope he's not still smoking cigars. Did he stop?
Oh, no, he gave that up.
Okay,
he gave that up a long time ago.
Good.
I think in the 80s. He gave that up in the 80s. Huh, Bob?
Good, because it's not as chic as it used to be.
No, it's definitely not as cool. He's a vegan.
Okay.
No, he's vegan.
He's very nice.
Yeah, he prefers
And
oat milk.
Okay, good,
Yeah.
good.
Ready for his close-up.
How did he do though? Is he moving a little better? I mean, he needs a little work, but
well, he's a senior,
yeah.
so he's you know, he looks like a puppy. Most of the time, he moves like a puppy, but he is a senior, so he has a bit of arthritis back here.
Anything positive happened this week with you know, checking pre and post? So we met you, we worked on him, and then anything you've seen positive of how his body's reacting?
Yeah, I literally see him lighter on his feet.
Okay, good.
I mean, and I feel like the hump on his back that we talked about has slightly gone down.
Okay, good.
His posture's a little better.
Does he ever wear like any outfits, like bow ties?
At times he does. Oh, well,
does he,
I mean, now that you mentioned
it. Does he spice it up sometimes?
This is a picture of him.
Okay, well, I would call that a bow tie.
That's a bow tie.
All right, so enough of Tony.
He's bored with us.
Enough humor.
Yeah.
Let's get started. Tony, what do you think? Can I work with you today? If you want me to work with you, just pretend you're sleeping for a second. Okay.
All right, I guess
that's
a yes. That is a big yes.
Would it be okay?
What do you think? What are we going to do?
All right, so let's start really soft. Maybe let's see if there's range of motion. So you're going to come all the way up and look at the ceiling today. Oh, it's a little tight at the very top. Do you notice that, Tony? Okay, so what happens, Tony, as we get older and your senior dog is going up and down, sometimes tough. So some dogs, you know, they get really achy in this down position. So let me flex your head down a little bit. And you're kind of tight in both directions. So I'm going to do a little adjustment there. So you're going to, that way. Okay. And I'm going to just do a little...
Tony, good boy. It's okay.
Got it.
Good boy.
Did you feel it almost releasing your hand there?
Yep.
Okay.
A little pop.
Yeah.
Good boy. Should I do anything or?
No, give him a second.
Yeah.
There, he's trying the neck. He extended his head back.
That was good.
So what I did is I set up on the posterior arch of the atlas, and I did a.
That was a good.
I went straight. Here's the atlas here. So I went straight posterior to ventral, posterior to anterior, and it's made a little click. Okay, so let's see if we can test the range of motion. And you can bring him up. Bring his head all the way up
Let's
to the
see. Let
ceiling.
me see. There we go. Hey. Ooh,
There you go. Ooh, look,
good
he
boy.
went all the way to the top.
Yeah,
Good.
let's see. Down.
Yeah,
Can we go
try
down?
down.
Look. Ooh.
Good, full range. Okay, so that's pretty good, Tony. Let's feel down the rest of your neck. Tony, look at this.
Look at you. See, is there someone right there?
That's the bad spot.
Yep.
Here, you slide down. You can.
That's what I feel in the
that's-
middle. Yeah.
Can you push up against my hand? So you
With
push
him?
up, so you get a lot of stabilization.
There it is.
Wow, that was a
That
loud
was
one.
awesome. He needed that. Should I touch him or no?
No, give
Let
him a
alone?
second to see if he wants to move around. Don't let him jump. I cannot believe how loud that
That
was.
was good. I felt that. That was awesome. Huh?
I mean, he can't be bothered.
He can't be bothered.
And just think about
How was that?
like the stress of the paparazzi
Oh.
chasing him.
I know.
Cameras,
Flashing.
flashing,
Auto-
requests for autographs,
Pographs.
autographs, public appearances.
Ugh. Speaking. I'm translating. I mean, it's not.
I mean,
just
a life, city to city,
bi-coastal. I mean,
agents, managers, percentages.
ugh.
Who needs that?
Who needs that?
Especially at
But-
this time.
We do have the best chiropractor.
Yes, and
This side.
but one thing you do need is to get that little adjustment today.
Yeah.
Right?
So let's get back to
All
it.
right, let's
that
do
was
it.
awesome. It's okay, Papa.
Okay, so
Don't
let's
you-
do it.
Hey.
Oh, Tony, what about
Bella,
the
what
relationship we forged up till
Yeah.
now?
You're okay, Scoop.
All right.
It's
Don't bite me.
No.
Okay, don't bite me.
Hey.
Hey, Tony.
Papa, why
We're
are you
like
getting
best friends,
close?
remember? Bless you. You're sneezing, coughing, and biting at the same
He's
time.
doing good work.
It's no way to go through life.
You know what good dogs get?
Oh, treats.
They sure do.
Is this for me?
Yeah. That's for you. This one's for Tony. Here, Tony.
Just put it between my cheek and gum?
Oh yeah, it's like a tobacco. Yeah, it's good.
No, I'm joking. It's right here.
Here, Bob.
But it looks like a little pouch of tobacco. Tony, here, let me do a magic trick for you.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Here we go. Tony, keep your
Tony.
eye. Ready?
Uh-oh. Where'd it go?
Not bad, right, Tony?
Not bad.
Let's see. See if it's right here.
Oh, it's behind,
Behind
you
your
in the
ear.
ear.
There it is, Tony.
Good boy. Wow.
Tony,
You should take your show on the road.
We could. Let me just check his little pelvis right now. Now that he's chewing. Okay. Let's just see. There's a little one here at the sacrum. Okay.
Get
I
it?
think I got that one.
Ah.
All right. So I got that. Let me just see that. This feels good. Neck feels good. Shoulders feel
boy.
good.
Good boy. You're so brave. Good boy.
One right here. Let's just get this.
Come on, Bubba. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. Brave guy. Yeah. Good boy.
That's it, Tony.
Good job. That was a
We're
lot.
done for today.
Can I
Get
put him
the-
down?
Yeah, now you can put him down. Let's
See what he
Before
does?
you touch him, let him see if he wants
Yep.
to do any shake, rattle, and roll.
Good boy. Good boy.
Good.
Yeah, there
Take
it
a
is.
shake on cue.
There it is, Scooby.
You're a good dog, Tony.
You feel really good, I can tell, huh? Look at that
Right,
face.
you had that nasty little misalignment. We call that subluxation, where there's a misalignment that's irritating the nerves.
Uh-huh.
And he certainly had one. I mean, you found it. You
Well,
pointed it to me. Yeah.
And I suspect that would be the problem sometimes when he is either excited or whatever and his muscles are a bit tense, and when I would go to pick him up,
Yeah. And
it
that
would
might
be
be
very painful.
Yeah, and it should die down now.
Yep.
Because we got that one. And that's part of the reason he hunches up a little bit.
I think so.
But the other reason is, dogs get arthritic just like we do as we get older. And so he might have some, if we saw an x-ray, we'd see little bony changes, little arthritic, osteophytes is the name of it, but, little rough edges along the edges of the bone.
Mm-hmm.
And that makes it tender. We get older and we get more tender.
Mm-hmm.
But Tony, I think we're done. I don't know where you
Yes.
went. Are you down
It's
there?
right here, yeah.
All right. So Tony, I wanted to tell you this story. So when I was training with these vets that I told you about, they were my doctors and teachers, and I would go to Texas every 3 months and spend a week training and doing, rounds, hospital rounds with them. And one of the places we went to was this dog pound with really rough rescue dogs. They were like pit bulls that might be fighters, or, you did time, right, in prison? No. Anyway, they were in outdoor cages. So we would one by one take each dog out. They, at any given time, had 40, 50 dogs. And you take the dog out and you immediately had to put a muzzle on him. And we had different size muzzles. Like, look, this is for a bigger dog. Tony, can you see that? Yeah, look. Okay, that's for a bigger muzzle. Look, Tony, this is more of your size. Little muzzle, right? Put it right on there. And not only did we do the muzzle, but if we had an assistant helping us, they would feed the dog little treats through the opening of the muzzle. There's not much, so they're like, here, look at me, really quick, look. So they're on the muzzle, and we still try to fit treats, because if we put the treats through the muzzle into their mouth, I could be down on the pelvis adjusting it. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's such a good story. All right. Anyway, that's all I want to tell you.
You still don't know.
Take care, Tony. Bye. Thanks for coming. See you in a month.
See you in a month.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
This is special.
This is very special. Hi, sweetheart.
All right, we might actually have you send that to us so we can put a better slide up.
There it is.
Wow, that was a loud one.
Awesome.
See, girl.